Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix slow printing issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your printer like slow printing, or while if you are giving print is not coming, then I will show you couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings, click on the system. In left side you will find here Bluetooth and devices. You have to just click on that. Here you will find printer and scanner. Click on this. Select your printer. Suppose if this is your printer, click on that. Then click on printer property. Click on the preference. Then click on advanced. In some of the printer you will find here option to reset. In my printer it is not showing here to reset. If in your printer it is showing for reset, you can just reset it from there. After resetting, just click on OK. Then click on this home button, or you can directly click on this system. Scroll down. Here you will find troubleshoot. Click on this. Then click on other troubleshooters. In this you will find printer. Click on that. Here you will find run. You have to click on the run. It will detect if there is an issue with your printer, and it will fixes the whatever issue of your printer is. This was the method 2. And the third method is you have to just click on this search menu, then type here services. Then click on the services. Here you will find print spooler. You have to just press P key and find print spooler. You can see here print spooler. Right click on that. Click on the properties. Here startup type should be automatic. Click on apply. Then click on the start. Then click OK. And right click on that. Then click on restart. After completion of all these steps, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix slow printing issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.